What's up, everybody? Charge Go here. Today, we're picking up a 2022 Tesla Model 3. We're gonna meet up with our good YouTuber friend, Rizzy Gang. Links down below, and let's get into it. Look who it is. A new Tesla owner.
Oh, so that's how you open it.
Where are we going?
JC from Charge Go?
Hell yeah, where we going?
We're going to the Tessie shop.
What we picking up?
Getting that, the 2022 little thing.
Man,
How you doing, my boy?
Let's do it.
But shit, it's go time. I just got the confirmation text. Bro, I think it's kind of weird that they just leave the car out. Like, no one comes out to say, like, hey, man, thanks for buying this Tesla. All automated, right?
Yeah, let's get into it.
Oh, the time has come.
We here.
Oh, my goodness. Which one's mine?
I know, probably one of these.
Bro, should I just start trying to get into one of them? Yo.
We're here.
Time has come.
Delivery day, 2022.
I forgot my mask. I'll just tell him I'm with Charge Go.
I'm gonna just tell him I'm filming for your mom.
It's a Space 26.
Yeah, but don't you have to pick up the key
Take
card?
ownership of the vehicle by accepting delivery in your Tesla app. After acceptance, you will be able to connect to the vehicle using the Tesla app. Make sure, this is crazy. So where's Space 26?
Oh, is a key card in the car?
Yeah, and I just connect through the app. Space
Oh,
26.
that's awesome.
Where are the numbers at?
I tell you, it's not this one, it's a performance.
You think it's on that side? Okay, I'll walk this way and then I'll see.
Yo, honestly, I think it's this way.
Honestly,
Yeah.
it's getting dirtier and dirtier as we go. Man.
I think I see it. I for sure see it.
So wait, which one is this? Is this one of the old ones?
That's the old one, it's like a 2013.
Wow, you should have gotten that one. I'm
gonna say it's this one next to the Model Y Performance. That one. Well, you got a white interior?
Huh?
What's this one? I'm confused. Bro, are we at the right place?
Are we at Cyprus? That's right behind you.
Go ahead. You guys got your space number?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's how you're having trouble with the app. The app is going to be where you start, you review your agreements, and then accept delivery to unlock your home.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, might be bad in this line. Yeah, low key. I feel like it is gonna give us problems because I already got. Okay, now I got 2 bars. That might work.
You excited?
I'm pretty excited, man. We gotta take a little. We gotta take a little video or something. And they look clean, bro. The other place was throwing me off. Like, why are these cars?
2022 Tesla Model 3.
Yes, sir. I think it might be the 2023.
Crap.
Right here. Oh no.
Dude.
Get me for the thumbnail. I'm now part of the Tesla family. Woohoo! Welcome. Let's see. No way. No way. Bro, I feel like Tesla family now, man. How do I get this thing? Where's the card? This is the card? Whoa, why is the mat dirty? Oh no, it's just the footprints. I was gonna go complain, that's why.
How you like it? That new car smell.
Bro, it smells like paint in here. I can't even lie. It smells like straight. Bro, they just painted this thing. Now, where's that little phone charger?
Full charge too?
Bro, does yours have this big ass compartment?
Yeah, it does.
Bro, yours does not have this.
We got a big storage compartment here. The wireless charging pads like up there.
Oh yeah, good. Let's get that charge going. Oh, I'm charging.
Yep.
I'm real life charging.
Let's see if the car came with the USB plugs.
Where is it? I can't even. This screen is so bright. Like my future.
Watch out real quick, cause some of them didn't come with it. Oh no, yours has it.
Like the little. Oh.
There's 2 in there. They're USB-C though.
Hey.
The 2022 finally got them seat heaters
That's
and a
wild.
heated steering wheel
I'm about to have sweaty palms.
on the rear wheel drive.
Sheesh. Right. Me so horny. Me so horny.
You think that's gonna make the clip?
Hey, JC's big mad.
For those of you who are interested, here is a specification sheet for a 2022 Tesla Model 3 rear wheel drive, not standard range plus anymore, and you could look at all the little nitty gritty things that you might not be able to find online because this is a brand new car. But this car definitely had the heated steering wheel and rear heated seats, and basically all the seats are heated, so that was really cool. And my car, which is a 2021 version, which was produced in September, doesn't necessarily have these things. So this is pretty awesome, and the new rear wheel drive cars with the 272 miles of EPA range is pretty cool. That's it for this delivery day video, guys. The 2022 Tesla Model 3 rear wheel drive, super clean.
I can now sit at JC's tail. Well, I don't have the color quite, but color's next, okay? I'm gonna do the exact same wrap.
Yeah, and if you guys want to see more about this car, I'll have a Turo link down below if you guys are interested in driving this.
Yeah.
And also shout out to Rizzy Gang.
Oh yeah,
Check
new
them out.
Song dropping December 3rd. Make sure this video goes out before the new song drops. Rizzy, the great, the with an A.
There you go.
The.
That's it.
Yeah.